Today I'm going to show you how to scroll Instagram new feature which recently launched. First you have to simply open up the Instagram. Make sure you have update your Instagram app. Now if you tap on the Instagram reel option, so here now once you tap on the three line, so you notice there is a brand new auto scroll option. As you notice that on new blue tick mark, so this is a new feature which recently launched. So what is the actually use of this feature? So once you enable this feature, you will be automatically see the next reel without scrolling your finger to the top side. So let me show how to enable this auto scroll. You have to simply enable this toggle button, and now once you completed watching this reel, so without scrolling your finger, you notice that the next reel will be automatically play. So this is the actually a feature of the auto scrolling which allows you to play multiple reels without touching or scrolling. So I hope this feature allows you to play the multiple reels without touching. So this is all about the Instagram auto scrolling new feature which recently launched. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.